Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lalibella's tutorial. Lesson 4. We are going to learn the things that is used in the restaurant in Cantonese. Plate, tip. Fork, cha. Knife, toe. Steak knife, pato. Butter knife, ngao toe. Spoon, jikang. Tissue, jikang. As you can notice, spoon and tissue almost have the same sounds, so please listen carefully. Glass, puy. Wine, chaw. Wine glass, chaw puy. Table, toy. Chair, tang. Salt, yim. Pepper, wuchiu. Olive oil, kamlam yaw. Olives means kamlam. Oil means yaw. Soy sauce, siyaw. Vinegar, chow. Toothpick, ngachim. Tray, tokpun. Menu, sampay. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for you to learn more. Thank you so much everyone. Koisai. See you next time. Hatsikin.
Lalibella.